Come to quality performance part 2. Let's start off by looking at quality circles. What are quality circles? If you look at the picture on the right here, you can see the quality circle. These employees are sitting in a circle and they're going to discuss problems related to quality. So it's when employees gather to discuss continuous improvement of quality systems and processes. All right, why are these quality circles important? Employees sitting in a circle like this? Because during these circles, there's a discussion related to problems regarding quality, right? And then there's an investigation of these problems. And after this investigation, suggestions to solutions can be given to management. And then these circles are also important because they motivate employees to work hard and have positive morale. Also related to quality management, we've got the PDCA model, sometimes called the PDCA cycle. The P in PDCA is for plan, the D for do, the C for check, the A for act. So let's start with the P, plan. So we identify the problem and we develop an improvement plan. Do means that now we are implementing systems and processes on a small scale. That part is important. We'll come back to that. And then check means we assess processes to see if they are working or not. So if they're working properly or not. And then the A, act. Now we implement change on a wider scale. That part is very important. Remember when we were looking at do, we said we would implement systems and processes on a small scale. But when we act in now the last step, we are implementing the change on a wider scale. All right, there are 5 total management quality elements. This is very important for exam purposes, the 5 total management quality elements. The first one is around customer satisfaction, total customer satisfaction. We can get feedback from the customers regarding the quality, just to make sure that the customers are satisfied. That's number 1. Number 2, monitor and evaluate quality processes. So here we can conduct regular checks on the product. That's what it means to monitor and evaluate. We keep checking the products. We monitor and we check the products to make sure that the quality is maintained. Number 3, adequate financing and capacity. Remember, financing has to do with money. So here we need to have enough money to make sure that we can maintain the quality standards. All right, number 4. Number 4 and number 5 both have the word continuous. But for number 4, it's the continued skills development. We want to continue to develop the skills of the worker. So we can do this by using human resource department to identify the training needs of employees. So what are the training needs of our employees? Now, the last one, continuous improvement. This time we want to improve processes and systems. Remember in number 4, we were looking at skills and development. Now we're looking at processes and systems. And for this, we also need to have enough money because remember, processes and systems, they require equipment. So we will need equipment in order to upgrade our quality processes and systems. Please note that these 5 elements of quality management can be a 6 or an 8 mark question. So I want to emphasize that you need to memorize these from your notes. Very important for exams. So you'll need to memorize at least 3 more facts. And this goes for the next section, the 8 business function and quality. This can also be tested as a 6 or 8 mark question. So here you also need to memorize at least 4 facts under all these 8 business functions. Remember, with 8 business functions, they can ask you any of them as a 6 or 8 mark question. Administration, I'm just going to explain what each function can impact on quality. So administration means we want to have fast and reliable data processing system that will help quality. Financing, financing again has to do with money. We want to obtain financing from reliable and reputable lenders, right? And then we can maintain our quality standards. General management. So the management has to develop and implement and monitor effective strategic plans that will help us maintain quality. And then human resource needs to ensure that the business recruits the best employees. Production means producing high quality goods and services according to specifications. And then we've got purchasing, which has to do with buying. We want to buy from suppliers that offer quality raw materials. All right. Public relations means we should have a good relationship with the public. So we want to provide regular press releases to avoid negative publicity. Finally, marketing. Marketing has to do with advertising. So we want to maintain ethical advertising and promoting our products. And again, please remember to memorize at least 4 facts. Sometimes it is useful if you can make up your own facts, write down your own facts when you dealing with the 8 business functions and how they impact on quality in a way that will be easiest for you to memorize. All right, good luck, Gr12s.